I'm Rohit Kaushal from Uniconverge Technologies. I'm working as Business Development Manager for Staffing and Recruitment Division. Our aim is to place all resources in our databases to provide better opportunities and career growth. We have big clientage and growing further with many MNCs clients. We are working with various IT skills, for example, Java, full stack, AngularJS, React, embedded, IoT, Telecom, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. We have placed candidates with an average annual payout at Rs 30 lakhs. We are looking forward you as our UCT family member during your career growth. Thank you.